Hi, I am Aderinsola. Taking the pivot to product management course with Product Dive was a game changer for me. What started as a recommendation from a neighbor friend turned into a transformative journey that is starting to reshape my career outlook. The course structure impressed me from day one. High quality video lessons paired with interactive live sections provided a comprehensive learning experience. Then there's the hands-on approach, utilizing tools like Whimsical, Jira, Figma. Those were also great. Each module's practical task and constructive feedback from our student success coordinator reinforced our learning effectively. I found myself immediately applying product management principles to my current customer success role, thanks to the course's real-world applicability. Perhaps most importantly, the course shifted my entire perspective. I now approach challenges with a product mindset, seeing opportunities for innovation everywhere. Being awarded the scholarship to the Product Management Blueprint course is still mind-blowing, and the opportunity that opens for me to absorb so much top-tier knowledge is great, and I'm looking forward to it. This whole new outlook will not only enhance my current performance, but will pave way for my smooth transitioning into product management roles full-time. From well-structured content to personalized feedbacks, Product Dive commitment to our learning was evident throughout. For anyone looking to pivot to product management or enhance their current role with product thinking, I wholeheartedly recommend this course. It's more than an education. It's a transformative journey that equips you with practical skills and a new way of approaching challenges in the digital age. This course hasn't just prepared me for a career in product management. It's inspired me to see that product management is not just a job, but a way of life. And I now see product in everything I do. Thank you, Product Dive. This has been awesome.